Got my gear set back, my second gear set back from Andy Simon Motorsports, from back cutting. Let's see if I can show you guys what's going on here. He puts support in the final drive, back cuts. This is a 5-speed, so it has back cuts from the factory that help lock the dogs in place here and here. The cuts Andy does are like here on the dog, here on the dog, over here. Alright, first gear doesn't get a back cut, it doesn't need one. And I'll try to show you guys how this works. Alright, let me get this set up here. See if I can angle this down. I'll zoom in. Oh, angle the other way. Alright, see if I can, what's that look like? Alright, so anyways, how this works is in gear. This is the final drive here. Your sprockets on that. Everything's spinning forward. Motor's spinning forward. Spinning forward. It pulls the dog out. As it goes around, the back cuts allow it to spin in, slip in a little bit easier, quicker. Some of these from the factory, like there's some back cuts in the final drive that also help. I don't know if you can see it right here. Those are from Andrews. This is an Andrews gear set. Andrews 5-speed. I'm going to also show you guys something else. Alright, so we're spinning forward, and when this thing goes into shift kill, this is also back cut. Alright, so when this goes into shift kill, rear tire starts to catch up. The motor slows down, the rear tire catch up. Well, the faster the rear tire goes, you know, you're going fifth, fourth, third, fourth, fifth, just like it's centrifugal clutch, it's going to slam in there and lock in there even harder. So I have to run a lot of kill time. So I believe if this edge was smooth, more like the 6-speed straight, no cut at all, I might be able to cut down my shift kill time in 4th and 5th gear. I have to run like 120 thousandths kill time in 4th and 5th, and I hear that's sometimes normal with a Harley, but I can run 1st and 2nd kill time at like 80 thousandths. But my motor isn't making the torque either. You know, when I'm in 4th and 5th gear, I'm making 30 pounds of boost. It's frickin' the coal steaming, man. It's making more power, so that's going to lock it in gear, also make it harder to pull. This billet door, ceramic bearings. This is a very nice piece. Just want to say thanks. Hit the like button, subscribe.